This is a brand new 2014 Cadillac Escalade. This SUV has a 6-speed automatic transmission, a 6.2-liter V8, and all-wheel drive. Its top features include a navigation system, Bluetooth cell phone integration, a rear-view camera, voice recognition, a sunroof, an air suspension, a limited-slip differential, traction control and stability control systems, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: a DVD player, XM satellite radio, chrome wheels, wireless headphones, leather seats, a passenger side airbag, rear seat child-proof door locks, adjustable driver pedals, memory settings for the driver's seat's positions so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button, and 10 perfectly positioned speakers, producing great sound quality throughout the cabin. This vehicle won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.